What's up, Connor High? Today's Thursday, February 29th. I'm Tommy.
And I'm Joe. In today's show, we'll be talking about welding and debate.
So stay tuned for today's episode of Total Recap. Are you interested in welding? Here's a couple of student welders to talk about their experience.
Hi, I'm Amy, and today I'm interviewing welding, so I'm here with...
Adam Perez.
All right, so what got you into welding?
Well, a few years ago, I just seen it was a class, and I decided, I'm gonna give it a shot. That's what got me into that.
All right, nice. So are you planning to pursue a career in welding?
I am. I'm gonna go to Arc Labs this next year, and that's where I think I'm
All
going.
right, that's actually really cool. So would you recommend welding to anybody who wants to join?
I would. If you're more like a hard worker and more dedicated into things, I think it'd be great for you.
Nice. So what has been your favorite part of welding?
Just the environment. Everybody in there is nice. Everybody in there is always somebody to help somebody else out, and that's a really good part of it, because in this career, there's a lot of issues and there's a lot of things like people not wanting to do it as much. So the people always there helping is a big factor.
Awesome. And what has been your favorite project?
We did a barbecue pit last year. It was pretty big, and I like that part.
All right, nice. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
So now we're going to move on to the next person. Hi, I'm here with...
Faith Carrington.
Okay, so what got you into welding?
I saw a whole bunch of videos on it, and I thought it was cool, so I decided to take it.
Nice. So are you planning to pursue a career in welding?
Yeah.
Okay. And would you recommend welding to anybody who wants to join?
Yeah, it's a lot of getting burnt, and it's hard in the beginning, but then it just gets easy.
Okay. And lastly, what has been your favorite project?
I made a little snowman out of horseshoes for my mom for Christmas.
Oh, that's cute. Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Make sure to check out welding if you're interested. But if welding isn't exactly your thing,
Maybe debate is. If you like public speaking, this may be the class for you.
Hi, I'm Amy, and today I'm interviewing some people from debate. So I'm here with...
Kristen.
Okay, so what got you into debate?
So I actually didn't choose debate, but I just kept going with it because it actually seemed like a really fun class to be in.
Okay, nice. So would you recommend this class to anyone?
Definitely, it's really fun. The people there are really nice. It's a pretty cool environment.
And what has been your favorite part in this class?
Honestly, the debates, they get super heated, and it's like really funny to watch people like go at each other. It's hilarious.
Nice. So what has been your favorite debate?
I don't know, there's like so many. I really can't choose one.
Okay, well, thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm here with...
Abby.
All right, so what got you into debate?
I really wanted to grow my public speaking skills, being able to speak with others in large groups and things like that, so that I thought that it would be great.
Okay, that's really cool. So are you planning to pursue a career in debate?
I'm definitely considering it. I like the political side of it and public speaking and all of that. I'm really into all of that, so I'm definitely looking into it for the future.
Nice. So would you recommend this class to anyone who wants to join?
Yes, definitely. It is an easy class to where anyone can take it and have a great time. Mr. Sneed is great, and he's always there for his students. And it's a class where you can learn about the world that you live in and be able to pursue things like that.
So what has been your favorite debate in this class?
My favorite debate was definitely Section 230 of the Communications Act. It helps me have a better understanding of the legal aspect of social media and what goes on in our social lives.
Okay, that sounds really cool.
Please contact Mr. Sneed if you are interested in joining.
and with that, we will now take you to a quick commercial break.
Alright, two biggest albums of the year, bros. That Stick Nick, Cody Cowboy, and Kanye West, Vultures. You know? Bro, what the heck is that kid doing, bro? Bro, that's my freaking phone. That's my freaking. Bro, I can't believe that piece of...
Hey, snatcher, no snatching. Snatch or no snatch? Yeah, bro, that was a game!
All right, good morning, students. It's advisory. Just use your time wisely.
Hey, did you do the assignment for physics?
No. What you trying to do? I got some of the answers right here.
No, I'm fine. All right, bro. All right.
All right, class, you need to take your homework out because I'm going to check it for a completion grade. And also, it's going to be a quiz grade.
You got it? I don't got it.
We told you.
All right, so let me see your assignment. Your assignment?
I didn't have time to do it.
Wow, you had advisory last class period, and you definitely had enough time to finish it.
She gone.
Now let's take you to our novice meteorologist, Gio, with the weather.
Thank you once again for your very kind words, Thomas. Hello, Conrad High. I'm Gio here with your weather today. And today, it'll be cloudy with the high of 57 and a low of 49. Tomorrow, it's looking a little rainy with the high of 73 and a low of 55. And Saturday, it'll be back to cloudy with the high of 78 and a low of 60. Sunday will also be cloudy with the high of 83 and a low of 63. Finally, Monday we'll have scattered thunderstorms with a high of 78 and a low of 54. Now for the fun fact of the day. South Sudan is the world's newest country at 13 years of sovereignty. They gained independence in 2011. Now back to you, Thomas.
Well, now let's take a look at our special segments for today.
I'm here with
Calissa.
And we're here to with some of the committee members to talk about the Asian Culture Festival, to ask them about events and what people need to know. Okay, first question. What is your favorite part about this event?
I really like organizing different events since my family has did like multiple events in downtown Conroe. So I think it's kind of just like the feeling of being able to like support a community.
Okay, and what is the Asian Culture Festival about?
So the Asian Culture Festival is just kind of like a festival to bring awareness to different Asian cultures and show people like what different cultures have to offer.
All right, next person. Okay, guys, I'm here with
Allie.
And she's gonna talk about the event about the Asian culture. Okay, first question, what kind of activities can people do?
Well, there's gonna be a lot of activities like you're gonna be playing Chinese games like Chinese chess. You're gonna have small challenges where you're gonna pick up Skittles with chopsticks too. And overall, it's just a whole bunch of family fun.
Yeah, that sounds really fun. What can people expect from the event?
A lot of movement. We have a lot of things planned like dances you can join in throughout. Just, yeah.
All right. Does it cost money?
No, it's free entry. The only thing that costs money so far are the tickets, which are $10. Just $10.
Okay, it doesn't seem bad. All right, guys, that's all I gotta ask. Back to the studio.
Bro, I'm so done with this class. I'm trying to close my eyes and sleep, man.
Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! You're a senior, right? Yeah. What's our acting like? You have one more year. Keep
Can you
going.
leave me alone? Like, I've done this for 4 straight years and no one cares. This is my last year.
Keep going, I said. Keep going.
You know what? You're right. Let me see this. Finally made it, mama.
See? I told you it'd be worth it. Now look at you.
Bro, thank you so much, Senior Fairy. I don't know what I'd do without you, bro. This is my man.
What in the world?
He's been doing this all year.
Poor guy.
I know, right? Get a grip, man. What's up, Conroe High? It's Marco, your sports guy, here with your sports report. Starting off this report, let's talk about our beloved Rockets. Tuesday, February 27th, they went up against Oklahoma City Thunder, and surprise, we did not win, with Houston having 95 points and OKC having 112 points. For Houston's side, guard Jalen Green had a rough 27 minutes with 16 points, 3 assists, and 6 rebounds. For OKC, Shai Gilgeous-Alexander had an amazing 32 minutes with 31 points, 8 rebounds, and 3 assists. I feel really bad for our Rockets, but if you thought that was bad, you are not ready for this. Also, Tuesday, Charlotte Hornets took a little trip to Milwaukee and left with a butt whooping. Score being Hornets having 85 and the Bucks having 123. For the Hornets, forward Miles Bridges with an embarrassing 37 minutes, only scoring 17 points, 3 rebounds, and 2 steals. Different could be said about the Bucks, though. Forwards Giannis Antetokounmpo had an outstanding 24 minutes. He scored 24 points, 8 rebounds, and 1 assist. Finally, Golden State Warriors visited good old Washington, D.C. and stole the W from Washington. For the Warriors, guard Klay Thompson had a pretty good 27 minutes with 25 points, 3 rebounds, and 4 assists. For the Washington Wizards, forward Kyle Kuzma had a decent 37 minutes, scoring 27 points, 12 rebounds, and 2 assists. That's all I have for Sports Report, and now back to the studio.
Make sure to tune in to all of our upcoming shows. We will have an episode of KTIG 9 tomorrow. On Monday, we will be off air. Tuesday, there's no school, and then Wednesday and Thursday, we will have Polo Talk, then Cooking with Culinary.
Also, CHS, remember to walk and talk and stay to the right.
Thanks so much for tuning in to today's episode of Total Recap. Make sure to keep up with us on Instagram at KTIG News or on our website at ktignews.com.
And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell to get notifications so you don't miss any of KTIG's shows. And remember, CHS, all Tigers achieve.